Hi there, I'm Kathy Barker from Software Solutions, and we're working with the use of these videos through the various visualizations you can add to reports in Power BI for desktop. Sometimes we don't know what to add, and so a Q&A can be very helpful, a question and answers. Now, to insert a Q&A visual, you can go to Insert on the ribbon and choose Q&A, or it is a button here in the Visualizations pane. Now on the on order page that we made earlier is a little bit of free space here, and I'm not sure how I want to fill this space. So what I might do is I might insert a Q&A and I'll just stretch it and widen it. And here are some suggestions, but I want to show all suggestions. So for example, I might want to count the number of orders by a quarter. So I'll click this option and it'll give me a visual. This is the number of orders by quarter. And then I think, actually, I quite like that. I might keep that. To keep that visual, you've got this little button here, turn this Q&A result into an actual standard visual. So I click that option and here's my visual. I can then resize it, position it and keep it. But then I think, well, what else do I need to show? So I put another Q&A into my page, resize it. And I could just leave the Q&A there for people to be able to ask questions about the data on that report. But if I want to ask a question and not just choose a suggestion, I might ask a question like, give me the total net over time. And there it is there. This is the total net sales over time. And I quite like that. So I'm also going to turn that into a visual. So Q&A is, again, more artificial intelligence. It's you actually questioning and getting answers about your data. You could just leave it as a Q&A that people can just use to randomly ask questions, or you could use it to actually create visualizations and add those to your page and then zhuzh them up using the Format Visual option in the Visualizations pane. So have a go with Q&A. It's quite good.